What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, I am excited to bring you my review of the new Adidas Sobakov. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because the moment we hit 30,000 subscribers, we are giving away two kick-ass sneakers. The first one is a brand new Adidas Yeezy Zebra 350 V2 Boost. So we're giving that one away. Dead stock, brand new, courtesy of our sponsor, Shoe Freak PH. We will also be giving away a Nike Epic React Flyknit in your size and in the color that you want. Two prizes up for grabs. You need to be subscribed to the channel and follow me on Instagram to join. The first thing that I do when Adidas or any shoe brand actually comes out with a new sneaker and comes out with a really weird ass name like Sobakov, I try to research what the word means because it gives you an idea or a look into the philosophy or the design behind the sneaker. Sobakov is actually a Russian word. It's a combination of two Russian words actually, Volk, which means wolf, Sobaka, which means dog. Now, it's meant to portray the characteristic of a wolf pack or a dog pack or whatever you call that. You know, like a group of people or a team working together. For the Sobakov, I just have two major observations. The first one is a positive one, and the second one is something, or well, what you could say is some sort of criticism. So the first one, the positive, is I just love the design. Everything from the materials that they used, ranging from the knit material that they use for the upper. It's not prime knit, mind you, but it is some sort of knit material, that black color that you guys see here, with the accents of leather. You have the leather with that V shape over here at the tongue tab, as well as the leather for the heel guard over here at the back. I just love how the dominantly black upper makes the wrap around three stripes in white pop. And by the way, these three stripes that you see here, that entire thing is made out of 3M. So if you hit it with flash, or if you hit it with some sort of light, so it does reflect that light because of the 3M material. Now, apart from that, I also love the thing going on with the midsole, that gum midsole with those wavy lines that coincide with the overall feel of the upper. That was actually my main problem with the Commanda, the previous sneaker that Adidas released, which is another new silhouette. The midsole was just too crazy for me to handle, but this one is very much in sync with the upper. If you take a look at the bottom, it's still that gum outsole that you see here with some sort of like blocking here at the back. I don't know what the reason is. Maybe it's to give you more stability when you walk. But yeah, that's what you get with the overall look of the shoe. I love the design because it's very unique, very modern, very different compared to a lot of the sneakers that you're seeing in the market today, which is something that is always a great thing when you are buying new lifestyle sneakers. This is also a fantastic shoe for people with wide feet because the toe box, as you guys can see, is pretty big. It has a lot of give. So this actually runs a bit big, so you might want to go true to size or maybe even try half a size down. I went true to size and there's definitely still room near the toe box for me. The one criticism that I would actually throw at this shoe is that it's not friendly for people with flat feet. It's friendly for people with wide feet, but it's not friendly for people with flat feet. Why is that? Because the midfoot section that you guys see here, this one is very narrow. So you will feel some sort of pain at your arc, especially if people with flat feet, you know, have feet like that. So if there's like a hard material here on the side, they will feel it hit the upper part of their feet because people with flat feet, when they walk, they overpronate. So that basically means this is your foot. When you step down, you tend to kind of roll inwards with your feet. So if you have like some sort of hard material with the midsole that kind of sticks up, you will feel it and it can be uncomfortable, you know, after wearing it for a few hours. And that's what I felt with this pair. Now, don't let that discourage you though, because if you are looking for a sneaker like this, if you are a soccer fan, a football fan, or if the design aesthetic of this one just speaks to you, try it out in different sizes, because who knows, it might be a better fit for you than it is for me. My recommendation, very straightforward, fit it first. If the design speaks to you, try it on first. And if you find it comfortable, if you find it something that you would, you know, have no problems wearing for several hours in a day, then go ahead and, you know, cop it. It sells for 7,000 pesos, so it's definitely not the most affordable sneaker out there in the market, and it doesn't have boost, so it's not going to be your most comfortable pair, and this is not something that you can train in. So this is really more of a lifestyle you know, statement more than anything else. You can't run in them, you can't train in them. It's really something you just want to wear for the look. And that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, by the way, this came out in 2 colorways. There's this black one with that white, wrap around 3 stripes. There's also an all-white version which looks pretty sick. You might want to check it out as well. Here in the Philippines, it's being sold over at Commonwealth, and it's also being sold at Adidas Originals over at Uptown Mall BGC. I don't know if other stores carry them, but those are the stores that I heard of or saw them being sold. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. Please do make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. And yeah, who knows? You might be a winner of the new Yeezy and the Epic React Flyknit that I am raffling away the moment we hit 30,000 subscribers. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic week. Peace. God bless.